You have never traveled before, you don't know why you should travel, who you should travel with, when or where you should travel, how you are going to stay, and what you are going to do. So let me give you some advice in this short video. Why should you travel? Perhaps you're interested in seeing new things, meeting new people, seeing other parts of the world. That's a good reason. You might want to travel because of the season. You would like to go to a warmer place for vacation, or you would like to go to a colder place also for a vacation. Common reason for traveling is otherwise events such as sports or festivals or music. Who should you travel with? You can of course travel alone, with your friends, with your family or with a partner. When and where should you travel? You can travel based on the season to a cold or a warm place, or you should travel when your specific event such as sport or festival is going on. And the time of your stay could be a couple of days, a weekend, a week or several weeks, depending on your budget and where you are traveling to. How should you travel? You can go by plane, train, car, boat, or perhaps a combination of these, depending on your destination. What should you do at your destination? If it's a sport or a festival, of course that is what you're going to do. If you're traveling to a city, you should most likely try out all of the things that they have to offer. Let's see how this all comes together, how to plan your travel. Let's start with, why are you traveling? You are traveling because you would like to see new things, or you're going for winter sports, summer sports, a vacation, or just a holiday, or you're going for a festival or a sports event. This will tell you when and where you should travel. Based on this, you'll get the answer to how to get there. Why you're traveling will also answer what to do. This will tell you who to travel with. When and where are you traveling? This will tell you how to get there. This is also an answer to why you are traveling, and also what you're going to do there. Based on this, you will get an answer to who you should travel with. How are you traveling? Perhaps you're traveling by train, such as Interrailing. Then you will most likely travel alone. So your who question will be alone. Why are you traveling? Because you would like to see new things. You will most likely not get a clear answer to when and where you are going. Based on this, you will get an answer to what to do when and where you are getting there. Let's start with what you would like to do. This can be an answer to why you are traveling, and also when and where you are going there. And in the same way, this will answer how to get there, and also who to travel with. Let's start with who you are traveling with. Based on this, you're going for what you like to do, common interests, and this is also the reason for why you are traveling, and most likely when and where you are traveling, and also how you're going to get there. Easy, right? So you should comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you soon again.